Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shubh Arora, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce, JIMS Greater Noida. I once again welcome you all back to the lecture series of the subject Marketing Management. Currently we are on the 4th unit and today is the 5th lecture. The topics which we'll be discussing in today's lecture are the objectives of advertising, and we'll be also talking about the different types of advertising media used by the organizations for giving ads on various platforms. So let's first talk about the objectives of advertising. There are 4 main objectives. First is the trial objective. So when we talk about the trial objective, this is when the ads are given by the companies in the introductory stage of the product, right? And what is the objective behind the this trial objective for giving ads is that when the company tries to convince the customers to purchase the new product which has been recently introduced into the market. And here the tactics or the tricks used by the advertisers here are in the trial stage is the advertisers try to attract the or grab the attention of the customers by using or giving some kind of flashy messages through ads, so flashy ads, attractive ads, right? So that it hits the minds of the customers or the viewers, and they get attracted to find out, that generate some kind of curiosity, right? So these tricks are used so that the customers look on the ads, find out the details, and come to a decision for purchasing the product, right? For when the product is in the trial kind of stage, so customers can always come and try it, right? Now we come to the second objective, is continuity. This objective is concerned related to keeping the existence of the customers. That means already existing customers, how they can survive and stick to your particular product of your brand, right? So advertisers here generally try to bring ads showing something new in the ad, or a new feature, adding some new feature in the product, right? And so that the old customers or the existing customers can stick to your product and do not switch to some other brands of your competitors. Then we talk about the third objective, that is brand switch. Here is the stage when you try to attract the customers of your competitors, and you try to convince or show ads in such a way so that the customers of your competitors come to a decision to switch the brand and start preferring the products of your particular brand. So ads are shown in such way, right? So that you convince the customers to switch from the other brand and come to your brand, right? And start using the product of your brand. Either you can do this brand switching kind of tactics or objectives by giving or showing some kind of difference of products, or in the same price you can give more features, you can reduce price slightly, right? All these tricks can be used. Now we talk about the fourth objective, that is switching back. This is the objective for the companies who want their previous or earlier customers to come back and start preferring your products, right? So basically you want your old customers who have switched from your brand, so you want your old customers or existing customers to come back to you, and leaving your competitors, leaving the products of your competitors, and they should start preferring the products of your brand now, right? So those companies can use this switching back kind of objective and give ads, right? So how the switching back can be done, how you can grab again your old customers from your competitors, by using different ways to attract the customers, like giving them some kinds of discounts, offers, coupons, new advertisements, right? Some reworking can be done on, changes can be done in the product, on the packaging of the product, on the labels of the product, on the quantity, all these things can be done so that you can you can bring back your old customer which had earlier switched to your competitor. So these were the objectives of advertising. Now we come to the types of advertising media. When we talk about types of advertising media, there are different platforms, as you can see in the figure. There's press media, audio visual media, other medias, then outdoor media advertising, specialties, mail or direct advertising. All these are different types of advertising media which can be used by an organization for giving ads, right? So when we define media, it consists of each and every method that the advertiser has at his command to give the message to the general public. Then you can see the names of the categories of different advertising mediums that can be used to give ads, like print, broadcast, outdoor, digital, product or brand integration. Now let's talk about all these different types of advertising media one by one in detail. Now let's talk about the first advertising media, that is the print advertising. It is one of the oldest and very popular media of advertising. Because this print media has better reach to the customers and can even be used for copy extensive ads. And what do these print media actually consist of? These consist of when you can give ads like through newspapers. So newspapers have the highest reach among the other, as compared to other types of print ads. They are in their regional language and have a narrower reach as compared to others because of its economical price. Because newspaper is the price of a newspaper is very economical, everyone can buy and afford, right? So due to this, the reach of ads through newspapers is very good and high. Now we talk about the second type of print advertising media, that is the ads, when the ads can be given in magazines. Magazines can be used for niche ads. They have a higher conversion rate as the ads are targeted to the right audience or particular target audience. Now we talk about the print advertising. The third one is the when ads can be given through brochures. Brochures impart everything a customer should know about the product or a brand, and they are targeted and distributed at a later stage so that the consumer can be educated about the particular brand. Now we talk about flyers. Flyers are very handy and have a local reach, right? So they turn out to be very useful if you are trying to do the business in a particular local location, right? So in that case, flyers are very useful. Now we could talk about the second type of advertising media, that is the broadcast advertising. So this includes when the ads can be given through different mediums like TV, radio, and how ads are given. Ads, audio visual information can be given, right? So technological advancements have resulted in increased return from broadcast ads, right? Because audio visual information can be given through different entertainment mediums like TV, radio, etc. And these broadcast ads are very effective media for advertising as a story, right? And ads can be better understood by the mass, right? If some kind of moving or catchy images are used or some jingle tones are used, so they become very effective. Now let's talk about the categories of broadcast advertising. First is when the ads are given from the medium of TV, that is television. And so ads given on television are usually focused on building brand image and creating brand awareness among the prospective customers. So these types of ads involve a lot of time and monetary investment. So whenever you are choosing a platform for giving ads on TV, the ads will be given for a longer period of time, and you'll have to spend a good amount of money. And they can, but on the other aspect, the ads can result to be very beneficial, right? So that investment on giving that investment for giving ads on TV can come out to be very fruitful for your business. Then when we talk about the radio ads, they have both local and national reach and are very economical in terms of return on investment. and these radio, the ads given on radio can also be given in regional languages on depending upon the regional radio channel of that particular region or state, right? Now we talk about the third kind of advertising media, that is when the ads can be given through digital platforms, right? So these include the ads through internet media devices like through smartphones, tablets, etc. And digitalization has helped a lot of marketers to carry extremely targeted ads and get the most out of those investments, right? And now digital ads can be given through internet, mobile phones, certain media devices, right, like Kindle, Echo, Google Home, etc. So in today's class I tried to discuss about the different platforms through which ads can be given, right? So we have discussed in detail the different types of advertising media. Let's quickly review today's lecture. I am trying to show you again and do a review, short review. So we had discussed about the objectives of advertising. So we discussed about majorly the 4 types of objectives. That is the trial objective, where some kind of flashy and attractive ads are used and given to make the customer take a look on the product and purchase it as a trial, right? Then the second objective we discussed about is continuity, when you give ads so that you can so that you want your existing customers to stick to your product, right, and they don't switch, so ads are given. Now when we talked about the third objective of advertising, it included the brand switching part kind of thing. So when you are wanting to attract the customers of your competitors and you are wanting them to switch the brand, that means you are wanting them to leave your competitor and come and start preferring the product which you are selling. So that is when ads are given in such a way when the customers are being trapped, or the ads try to convince the customer in comparison to the product being sold by the competitors. Then we also talked about the switching back aspect, that is when your customer has already gone to some other brand and now you are trying to make some efforts by giving different kinds of ads so that you can the comeback of your old customer can be done, right? So this can be done by giving ads, and through those ads you try to show some offers, some free coupons, some discounts, some sales, some change in packaging, labels, some kind of slight changes in the prices, exciting offers, buy 2 get 2 free, buy 3 get 4 free, buy 1 get 2, all these kinds of offers. So basically you are trying to attract the old customers so that they switch back to you and leave your competitors. Then we discussed about the different types of advertising media, in which we talked about the different forms of advertising media, that is when ads can be given through mails or direct advertising, then press media, audio visual advertising, specialities, outdoor media and other media. So we discussed about mainly print advertising, which includes when ads are given or displayed through newspapers, as newspaper has a higher reach and very economical. Then we also talked about the magazine ads, right? Because through the ads which you give in magazines, you can target a specific segment of the society, that means a niche segment of the market, right? Then some kinds of ads can also be given through brochures, right, where you try to provide each and every detail about the product or service which you are selling. Then flyers can also be used in a local region of the in local geographical region where your business is set up, so you can target the local customers of that particular geographical region. So because flyers are very handy and the information can be given, useful information can be given very easily in the local reach. Then we talked about the broadcast advertising, where audio visual information can be given through ads, and the mediums mainly used for broadcast advertising are the ads can be given through radio and television. So we discussed about TV ads also, and we discussed about radio ads. Then we talked about the digital advertising, which includes or says when the ads are given through digital platforms or are digitally displayed over the internet or other digital devices. So like when you are using smartphones these days, you are going through your social media pages like or sites like Facebook, Insta, right? So you see different kinds of ads when you are listening or watching movies, or when you are going through or listening so seeing something on YouTube platform. You see different kinds of ads of different products being sold by the organization. So ads on digital platforms via internet are there, on your mobile devices, on your or whether you are on digital platform via your laptop or your tablets, right? And other media devices which include digital ads are like through Kindle, Echo, Google Home, etc. So this is all what we discussed today about the objectives, four main objectives, and the different advertising media which are used by the organization to give ads. We'll be discussing the next topics of this unit in our following lecture. Till then, thank you and take care.